A big day today for the Common Council as members get a look at what a pandemic budget could look like. The mayor will present his proposed spending plan for next year coming up later this morning.
We'll begin to see the impact COVID has had on the city finances and whether calls to defund the police will be part of the budget that the mayor is laying out. Ryan Jenkins is live near City Hall with more on what that's going to look like. Ryan?
Yeah, Susan and Vince, there are still a lot of unknowns about what this will look like. Of course, the city has been anticipating some revenue loss due to COVID-19, and there have been more conversations about slashing 10% out of the Milwaukee Police Department's budget. That's really something that we will be keeping an eye out for during the proposed budget presentation that is going to be happening this morning at the Common Council meeting. The Common Council is set to continue their conversations about that idea to cut the police department's $297 million budget by 10%, or nearly $30 million. Now, earlier this year, the Common Council directed the city's budget director to complete a study about what that cut could look like. We now know that that study shows that there could be a cut to positions within the department and an increased reliance on community service officers, and there could also be some other structural changes, things like shifting internal affairs out of the department. The $30 million that would be cut from the budget would then be used to support other community resources such as fair and quality housing and violence prevention and mental health services. Meanwhile, the department is actually looking to increase its budget by more than 18% to nearly $316 million. Today could be one of the first times where we're really seeing how the mayor and the full Common Council are responding, reacting to this idea of cutting 10% out of the budget now that this study has been done. Of course, all of this amid nationwide calls to, quote, defund the police and reform police departments. Reporting live near City Hall, Ryan Jenkins, TMJ4 News.